In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams error 647RX. This error usually points to a problem with your work or school account connection or some stale credentials on your Windows device. We're going to refresh that connection and clear out old sign-in data so Teams can authenticate cleanly again. Start by opening the Windows Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. Once Settings is open, go to Accounts. On the left or main panel, look for Access Work or School. This is where Windows links your device to your organization's account, which Teams relies on in the background. Find the work or school account you use with Teams. If you see more than one, choose the one associated with your organization's email domain. Select it and click Disconnect. Confirm any prompts. This only removes the device link. It won't delete your files or your online account. Before moving on, save anything you're working on, because the next part is important. Restart your computer. A full restart clears lingering background processes and ensures the disconnection completes. After your PC comes back up, return to the same settings page under Accounts, open Access Work or School again, click Connect, and sign back in with your work or school credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy and complete any multi-factor prompts your organization requires. Next, we'll clear cached sign-in entries that can conflict with Teams. Open the Start menu, type Credential Manager, and open it. Choose Windows Credentials. You'll see a list of saved entries used by various apps and services. Carefully look for anything related to Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Office 16, and Outlook. Expand each matching entry and click Remove. If you're unsure about an item, check its name and the resource it references. Only remove entries clearly tied to Teams or Microsoft Office sign-ins. This step forces Windows and Office apps to request fresh tokens the next time you sign in. With that cleaned up, launch Microsoft Teams. If Teams opens automatically after restart, close it and open it again manually to make sure it starts fresh. Sign in with the same work or school account you reconnected in Settings. Give it a moment. The first sign-in after clearing credentials can take a bit longer as new tokens are created. That's it. By reconnecting your work or school account and removing outdated credentials, you've reset the authentication pieces that commonly trigger error 657RX. If your organization uses VPN or specific security prompts, make sure those are active during sign-in. Once you're in, you should be back to normal.